Let us see Kelvin cycle once again. In Kelvin cycle, it rotates 6 times. A single Kelvin cycle, it rotates 6 times to produce one molecule of glucose. A Kelvin cycle, it rotates 6 times to produce one molecule of glucose. So, this is a 5 carbon sugar RUBP, that is ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. 5 carbon sugar, 6 multiplied by 5 carbon sugar, it becomes a 30 carbon sugar. So 6 molecules of carbon dioxide are accepted by 30 carbon sugar RUBP. So altogether it becomes 36. So this is a 36 carbon compound because it is phosphoglyceric acid. It is a 3 carbon compound. There are 36 carbon because there are 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound multiplied by 12. So this becomes 36 carbon. 2 molecules of 3 carbon compound, 2 into 3, 6 times to produce 1 molecule of glucose. So RUBP is a 5 carbon compound. 6 times 5 carbon, it becomes 30 carbon. It combines with 6 molecules of glucose. 30 carbon combines with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. It combines with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide. So 6 carbon, 30 carbon and 6 carbon. Here it forms 3-phosphoglyceric acid, which is 3 carbon compound, 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglyceric acid. So here it becomes 36 carbon. This 36 carbon, it undergoes reduction. In this reduction, 12 NADPH molecules are involved, which produces 12 NADP plus, and here 12 ATP molecules are used, and it produces 12 ADP. And this is again a 3 carbon sugar, and this is also has 36 carbon. Out of this, 6 carbon forms 1 molecule of glucose, and 30 carbons again are into the process of regeneration to produce RUBP. 30 carbons are utilized to become again RUBP, and 6 carbon is formed. It forms glucose. Now here 6 ATP is utilized to form 6 ADP. So for one glucose molecule, 18 ATP molecules are required and 12 NADPH molecules are required. To produce one molecule of glucose, 18 ATP molecules are required and 12 NADPH molecules are required. So 6 carbon dioxide molecules are fixed to produce one molecule of glucose. This RUBP is a 5 carbon compound, which becomes 30 carbon because it is rotated 6 times. 6 into 5, 30, and this combines with 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, and it produces 36 carbon, 3 PGA, 3-phosphoglyceric acid, which is a 3 carbon compound. Again it undergoes reduction to produce triose phosphate, which is a 3 carbon compound, and 36 carbons. Out of the 36 carbons, 6 carbon is formed, it forms glucose, and 30 carbons it form RUBP. So in the altogether process of Kelvin cycle, to fix 6 carbon dioxide molecules and to produce one glucose, 18 ATP molecules are used and 12 NADPH molecules are used. ATP and NADPH are the byproduct of nitrogen.